Zombie apocalypse.
Welcome to Universal Programming. In this video, I am going to show what are command line arguments and how to use the string array of arguments in the main method string args. Let's start. Class command line open and close braces. Inside this class, I am giving the main method public static void main. This main method takes string args, array of arguments, string args args, open and close braces. Inside the main method, I am taking arguments with index 0, that is system dot out dot println. For every other digit statement, we use semicolon. Inside this println method, I am taking string, that is enter first number plus args with index 0. My first argument was taken here. Again, I am taking second argument. That is second number, second with index of 1. Let's compile and run this program. Open the command prompt, and before compiling and running the program in command prompt, please check your class path. That is, my class path is this here. PC, Windows, Users, Largo V, Eclipse, Workspace, My Java, SRC. I'm just moving to my file path, that is C, change directory. CD stands for change directory. Open file manager. Copy this class path and paste. This is my class file path. To compile our program, use Java C class name dot Java. Our program is compiled and .class file is generated. Now we are running the program. Java, to run the program, we use the command Java class name, just class name, command line. Make sure that before running the program, we have to give the arguments. That is, our first argument you have seen here, args0, and second one is args1. In args0, I am giving 12. In args1, I am giving 15. Now my output is enter first number 12 and enter second number 15. This is how we use the command line arguments in Java. Make sure that this 12 and 15 are not integer data type. These both are string. Before adding these two numbers, use typecasting.